In this video, I will show you how you can lock apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Under the Security and Privacy settings, just tap on More Security Settings. Now on this page, you will find the option for Secure Folder. Just tap on Secure Folder, then tap on More. Just tap on Continue. Then just tap on More one more time and tap on Continue. Now after you do that, you'll start creating secure folder on your Samsung phone. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. Now as you can see, it is asking you to create a passcode for your secure folder. Now you have the option for a PIN, a password or a pattern. You can even use your fingerprint under biometrics. Now I will use the PIN. Now just create a PIN which must consist of at least 4 digits. After that, just tap on Continue and select Use Anyway. I just enter the PIN one more time to confirm the PIN and select OK. I just select Allow, and after that just tap on Next. Now if you want to close all the apps while your phone is locked, just select this option, but if you want to allow background activity when your phone is locked, just select this option. I'll leave it as it is. Just tap on More and select Done. Now once you have created the secure folder on your Samsung phone, now to lock the apps, just tap on the plus icon over here and select the apps which you want to lock. For example, I will select these apps. Now after you've selected the apps which you want to lock, then tap on Add and you will add them to your secure folder. Now the next step is just tap and hold on the app icon and select Add to Home Screen. Select Add, and by doing that you'll create a shortcut of these apps on the home screen. As you can see, if I go to the home screen, as you can see, these are the shortcuts which we have created from the secure folder. Now if I try to open the app, it will ask me to enter the password which we have created for the secure folder. Just like that. Now if you open the app drawer, you will find the original app over here. Now you can either delete the original app from your Samsung phone, and you can only use the shortcut which we have created. Or you can leave the original app in the app drawer and you can use the shortcut on your home screen. And this is how you can lock apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.